The Space Shuttle Challenger, 40 years after the disaster. Proverbs 27:1. Boast not thyself of tomorrow, for thou knowest not what a day may bring forth. This verse talks about the fact that we are not guaranteed tomorrow. This is because we have no idea what is going to happen from day to day. We can plan all we want, but those plans may be interrupted by some disaster that could take us out of this world. Ultimately, God knows when our time will be to leave this earth, but we do not know, neither can we control it. 40 years ago today, 7 people headed off on what they were expecting to be the adventure of a lifetime. It was a very important mission. They'd be launching one of 3 data tracking and relay satellites, a system that is still in use today, for maintaining communications in low Earth orbit. Also, this was the flight of the teacher in space, Christa McAuliffe. She had won a contest for this flight, where she was supposed to become the first private citizen in space, and she would conduct lessons as a teacher in orbit to students on the ground. They boarded the Space Shuttle Challenger. After a delay due to ice on the pad, the clock finally counted down to 0, and the Space Shuttle rose majestically into the air as had happened 24 previous times. However, this time, at 73 seconds into the flight, the Space Shuttle Challenger and her crew disappeared into a fireball, with the 2 SRBs heading off randomly in different directions. The fireball quickly became a cloud of steam, with debris falling from the sky into the ocean.
The liquid hydrogen tank now at flight pressure and all 3 engines ready to go. Coming up on the 1-minute point in our countdown. T-minus 1 minute and counting. Sound suppression water system now armed. The hydrogen burn igniters have been armed. These igniters will be fired at T-minus 10 seconds to burn off any residual hydrogen gas. T-minus 45 seconds and counting. The solid rocket booster flight instrumentation recorders have gone into the record mode. Coming up on the 30-second point in our countdown. T-minus 30 seconds, and we've had a go for auto sequence start. The SRB hydraulic power units have started. T-minus 21 seconds, and the solid rocket booster engine gimbal now underway. T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. We have main engine start. 4, 3, 2, 1, and liftoff. Liftoff of the 25th Space Shuttle mission, and it has cleared the tower.
Now control. Roger, roll, Challenger. Good roll program confirmed. Challenger now heading downrange. Engines beginning throttling down now at 94%. Normal throttles for most of the flight, 104%. We'll throttle down to 65% shortly. Engines at 65%, 3 engines running normally, 3 good fuel cells, 3 good APUs. Velocity 2,257 feet per second. Altitude 4.3 nautical miles, downrange distance 3 nautical miles. Engines throttling up, 3 engines now at 104%.
Challenger, go at throttle up.
Challenger, go at throttle up. One minute, 15 seconds. Velocity 2,900 feet per second. Altitude 9 nautical miles. Downrange distance 7 nautical miles. Here looking very carefully at the situation. Obviously a major malfunction. no downlink. We have a report from the flight dynamics officer that the vehicle has exploded. Flight director confirms that. We are looking at checking with the recovery forces to see what can be done at this point.